Hi everyone and welcome to Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize your application's updater to match your product's look. Starting with the Advanced Installer 22.6, you can easily customize the UI elements of the updater thanks to its built-in editor. To access the editor, simply go to the Updater view and open the Personalize tab. Here, to unlock the editor, check the WinUI rendering option. The updater uses the WinUI 1.0 for modern rendering. You can notice that the Enable Color Theming option is automatically checked. When you set up your custom design and want to apply it to the updater, make sure this option remains checked. Otherwise, the updater will display the default design. Once the editor becomes available, you can start customizing the updater interface. The editor provides a real-time preview to show you how your customized updater will appear. You have control over multiple elements such as the background color, text color, or buttons color in all states. To change an element color, you can use the color picker. To open it, just click on the current color indicator of each UI element and then choose the desired color. When you set the background color, the editor automatically adjusts the text color of the page, black or white. This is done based on the background brightness to ensure readability. However, if you want a specific color, you can manually choose it through the color picker. Change your mind about any color selection? No worries. Just use the Reset to Default Color option to revert to the color that is automatically computed. Another important feature is that the editor can automatically compute the colors for list item states, selected, selected point over, and selected pressed based on the list background color. You just need to check this option and the editor will determine whether the WinUI theme color remains visible on the new background and adjust it accordingly to ensure visibility. These changes are not visible in the preview, only when running the updater. Of course, if you are not happy with the colors that are automatically set, you can manually change them using the color picker. In conclusion, the updater editor makes it easy to customize your updater in order to provide a professional user experience and align with your product's look. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.